Hello, Namaste. I am Dr. Upendra Gargatte, Associate Professor, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune. I am going to discuss tablet coating. After completion of this video tutorial, learner will be able to define tablet coating, list objectives of tablet coating, differentiate between uncoated tablet and coated tablet, and select composition for tablet coating. Now see the definition of tablet coating. Tablet coating is a process of application of coating composition on a moving bed of tablets with the concurrent use of heated air to facilitate evaporation of solvent. By this definition, we understand that it is a simple process of application of coating composition on tablet surfaces. Tablet coating is a science and art. Selecting suitable coating composition is a science, and applying this composition on tablet bed is an art. Coating pan is simple pan in which tablets are put into it for coating purpose. There are variety of coating pans available in a market. They have different capacities. Baffles are the integrated part of coating pan. Baffles facilitates the mixing of tablet inside the coating pan. Tablet bed is the weight of tablet put into the coating pan for coating purpose. Approximately the weight of tablet equal to the working capacity of the coating pan is put into the coating pan. As the tablets are mixing inside the pan, the tablet surfaces get exposed continuously to the coating solution and tablets get coated. Coating composition and its application are the important parts in the tablet coating. A polymer solution is continuously applied on a tablet bed. Dear learners, in our previous part of this video, we have seen and studied definition of tablet coating and introductory part of tablet coating. Now think over this. What are the objectives of tablet coating? Pause the video for a while and note down the objectives of tablet coating. After finishing this, play the video and guess the answer. Yes, correct. You have guessed many objectives. I have mentioned here objectives of tablet coating: to mask the taste, odor, or color of a drug, to provide physical and chemical protection to the drug, to modify release of a drug from the tablet, to protect the drug from the gastric environment of the stomach with an acid resistance enteric coating, to incorporate another drug or formula adjuvant in the coating to avoid chemical incompatibilities, and to improve the pharmaceutical elegance. Differentiation between uncoated and coated tablet. On the basis of following points, learner can differentiate between uncoated and coated tablet. Number 1. Coated tablets are smooth and glossy in appearance. Number 2. Weight of coated tablet is more than corresponding uncoated tablet. Number 3. Coated tablets may be colored. Number 4. Usually round in shape with no bisect on the surface. Polymer is a main component in coating composition. There are two types of polymers: non-enteric film forming polymers and enteric film forming polymers. Now see about non-enteric film forming polymers. The examples are HPMC, MHEC, ethyl cellulose, HPC, povidone, sodium CMC, and Udrazit G. Enteric film forming polymers include cellulose acetate phthalate, Udrazit L and S, polyvinyl acetate phthalate, etc. Solvents mainly include water, alcohol, acetone, and ketone. Plasticizers play important role in coating composition. The examples of plasticizers are propylene glycol, glycerin, PEG, triethyl citrate, etc. Colorants include anthocyanin, flavonoids, carotenoids, carminic acid, etc. Opacifiers are also added in coating composition. Titanium dioxide is the most widely used opacifier. However, aluminum silicate and talc may be used. Some miscellaneous ingredients may be used: flavors, sweeteners, surfactants, antioxidants, and antimicrobials. These are few references. Thank you for watching this video patiently. Thank you very much.